Today, making your own songs and music videos is very exciting. You can use special computer tools. These tools use something called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a smart helper for your computer. It can help you create amazing things. You do not need to be a music star or a film director. AI makes creating music and videos easy for everyone. Even if you are a beginner, you can use them. Content creators can also use these tools to make new things for their fans. Imagine thinking of a song, and then AI helps you make it. This is now possible for you. These AI tools are often very friendly to use. Think of them as helpful friends guiding you through the steps. You do not need lots of technical skill. Many tools have simple buttons and choices. Creating music becomes a fun game. Making videos becomes an easy task. The AI does the hard work for you, so you can focus on your creative ideas. Let us explore how you can start creating. Your creative journey begins now. Some AI tools can make complete songs for you. Suno and Udio are two amazing tools for music. These tools can create everything in a song, from music to lyrics to singing voices. It is like having a band in your computer. Using these tools is often very simple. You usually start by typing an idea. For example, you could say, a happy pop song about summer fun. The AI takes your idea and starts to create the song. You tell the AI the style and mood you like. The best part is that it is very fast. The AI can make a song in just a few minutes. This speed helps you try many ideas. If you do not like one song, make another. It is easy to experiment with AI. These powerful AI tools are made for everyone. Beginners can use Suno and Udio easily. Content creators can make original music for their videos or podcasts. Making your own songs is now very easy. Click on the link given in the description of this video and start creating your own songs today with Suno. It's free to try. Every good song needs good words or lyrics. Sometimes writing lyrics can be hard, but AI can help. AI tools can help you write lyrics, giving you ideas or even writing whole verses. Tools like ChatGPT are very smart AI. You can give it a topic for your song, and it will write lyrics for you. You can ask it to make changes or write in different styles. It is like having a writing partner. What if you want your song in another language? AI can help with this too. Google Translate can translate your lyrics into many languages. This helps your music reach more people. Now you can share your music with everyone. AI helps your message travel far. People in different countries can understand your songs. They can enjoy your music in their own language. This is a wonderful way to connect. Use AI to write meaningful lyrics and translate your songs. Let your voice be heard everywhere. AI opens up a world of possibilities. Music is not just about words and singing, it also needs a good beat and melody. This is the instrumental part of the song. Creating this music can take a lot of skill, but AI can make this part simple too. There are AI tools that make beats and create instrumental tracks for you. AI helps you build the foundation of your song. AI tools like Boomy are very helpful. Boomy can make musical beats for you quickly. You can tell Boomy what kind of music you want. Maybe you want a fast beat for a dance song or a slow beat for a calm song. Boomy offers many different styles. It is like having a music producer. SoundDraw is another cool AI tool for music. With SoundDraw you can pick a mood and the length of the music. Then, SoundDraw makes music tracks for you. These tracks are original and ready to use. You can use them as background music for your videos or games, or you can use them to write a song over. AI makes it simple to get the sound you need. You do not need to play an instrument or know music theory. These AI beat makers do the hard work, helping you lay down the perfect groove. When you have a great song, a video makes it even better. Music videos can tell the story of your song. They can show emotions and create a mood. Making videos used to be very hard, but now AI can help you make music videos. AI video tools can create amazing visuals that match your music perfectly. You can bring your songs to life with AI. AI tools like Kyber are great for making videos. Kyber can create videos from your ideas. You can type what you want to see in the video. For example, a dreamy forest with glowing flowers. Kyber then uses AI to make the video. You can upload your song to Kyber, and the AI can make the video sync with your music. Runway ML is another powerful AI tool for video. Runway ML offers many ways to create videos, from text descriptions to turning images into moving videos. You can even edit videos using AI. Runway ML has many features for creators. You can experiment with different visual styles. Your music videos can look very professional. You do not need a big camera crew or be a video editing expert. AI helps you become a music video director. What if you have lyrics and music, but no singer? AI can help with this problem too. AI can create singing voices for your songs, called synthetic vocals. These voices are made by the computer, but can sound very real and human-like. This is a great option if you cannot sing or want a specific type of voice. AI singing tools open up new possibilities. Your songs can have vocals without a human singer. Tools like Voiceful.io are very useful for this. Voiceful.io can create AI singing voices. You can often choose from different voice types. You can input your lyrics, and the AI tool sings them for you. You can adjust the melody and timing. It is like working with a virtual singer. Let's think about a quick way to make a song and video. First, make a beat with a tool like Boomi. Next, write your lyrics using ChatGPT for ideas. Then get an AI vocal with Voiceful.io or Suno. Finally, make a music video with Kyber or Runway ML. This whole process can be very fast. With these AI tools, it is possible to create a complete song and video quickly. AI empowers you to be a prolific creator. You have used AI to make a wonderful song and maybe an amazing music video. Now you probably want to share it. Before you do, it is important to check the rules. Sharing content has some rules you need to know, especially for AI-generated content. Understanding these rules is very important. Each AI tool has its own terms of service. You should always read them carefully. The terms will tell you what you can do. They explain how you can use the music or video. Can you use it for personal fun? Usually, yes. Can you use it to make money? This is called commercial use. For commercial use, the rules might be different. Some tools let you use content freely, while others might ask you to pay a fee. It is very important to know about usage rights. Some AI-generated content is free to use everywhere, but some content has limits. If you want to publish your song on Spotify or monetize your video on YouTube, make sure you understand the tool's publishing terms. This will help you avoid any problems later. Always be responsible when using AI creations. AI tools are here to help your creativity shine. Let your imagination lead the way to new creations. Like, share, and comment on this video. This is the Technocrat signing off for now.